Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find someone's Amazon wish list. Whether you're looking for gift ideas or just curious about what your friends and family have been eyeing, this quick guide will show you exactly where to look. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Find a List or Registry. This is Amazon's dedicated tool for discovering wish lists and registries from other users. Once you're on that page, look at the left panel and click on Find a Registry. This will bring up a search interface specifically designed to help you locate wish lists. In the search bar that appears, you can either type wish list or enter the name of the person whose list you're trying to find. Then press Enter. Amazon will process your search and pull up matching results based on what you've entered. Now you'll see a list of results displayed on your screen. Browse through these carefully, as there might be multiple people with similar names or multiple wish lists from the same person. Once you've identified the correct wish list you want to view, simply click on it. This will open up the full wish list, allowing you to see all the items they've added, along with details like price, availability, and whether someone has already purchased it. Now, if you want to find your friend's wish list specifically, there's an even quicker route. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right corner again, but this time select Wish List from the drop-down menu. This takes you directly to your own wish list interface. At the top of the page, you'll notice a menu bar. Click on your friends in that menu. This section shows you all the wish lists from people you've connected with on Amazon. You'll be able to see all your friends' wish lists right there in one convenient place, making it easy to keep track of what they're hoping to receive. And that's it. You've now learned how to find anyone's Amazon wish list, whether it's a specific person or one of your connected friends. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.